Hi students, how are you? Here is an interesting question. Predict the condition A and the structure of mature product B in the following sequence. So you can see here that this is a diene and it is a electrocyclic ring closing reaction. It is an example of pericyclic reaction. So this is a diene and then this molecule is ozone is done in this molecule, and so the double bond will cleave, and then it is a reaction with an alide with aldehyde, so this will give another double bond, that is alkene will form. So we'll see the product. First the molecule is this. We can write this molecule in this way. You can see that this is the trans geometry and it has also trans geometry. So this is trans. Here is CH3 group, here is CH3 group. Now we have to see the molecular orbital, pi molecular orbital of this diene. Now it will have 4 pi molecular orbital. We will draw this structure of the molecular orbital. This is psi 1, this is psi 2, this is psi 3, this is psi 4. Energy will increase in this axis. Now we'll see the symmetry. It will have no nodal plane, only bonding interactions are there. These two are bonding molecular orbital, and these two are anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here only bonding interactions are there. Here there will be a nodal plane, plus plus minus 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 plus plus. Here two nodal plane will be there. We know that higher the nodal plane, higher is the energy. As the energy increases in this way, so the nodal plane number will increase. Plus minus minus plus minus plus plus minus. It will have 3 nodal plane. Plus minus plus minus minus plus minus plus. Now we will see the symmetry of this molecule. Now this is symmetrical with respect to mirror, so it has M symmetry, whereas in this molecular orbital you can see that this is symmetrical with respect to center of symmetry, so it has C2 symmetry. Again it has symmetry with respect to mirror, so it has mirror symmetry. Again it has center of symmetry, C2 symmetry. Now we have to see here, we can represent this. Now if the reaction is occur in thermal condition, then psi 2, that will be HOMO. This will be the HOMO. Whereas if the reaction occur in photochemical condition, psi 3 will be the HOMO. Before that, we will see the electronic distribution in this molecular orbital. So there are 4 pi electron. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There is psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4. 2 electron will be there, 2 electron will be here. Energy in this order. So we can see here that psi 2 is HOMO. This is HOMO. Now this HOMO is in thermal condition, but in photochemical condition 1 pi electron will go to psi 3, and then psi 3 will be HOMO. So psi 2 will be HOMO in thermal condition and psi 3 will be HOMO in photochemical condition. Now we have to see that here the product is this. So we have to see in which condition, that is either thermal or photochemical condition, we will get this product. So now we will see the product from thermal as well as photochemical condition. Then we will compare the product with the product here in question. Then we can give the answer. So first we will see in thermal condition. So in thermal condition psi 2 is HOMO, so it will have plus sign, minus, minus, plus. Now if bonding interaction has to occur, then we will rotate this orbital in this direction and this orbital in this direction. So it is clockwise direction and it is also clockwise direction. This mode is called conrotation. In conrotation mode, we will have this methyl group above the plane and this methyl group below the plane. So the product will be one above the plane and one below the plane. So this will be the product. Whereas it is in thermal condition, whereas in photochemical condition the HOMO will be psi 3, that is this. So for psi 3, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. This is mirror symmetry. It has mirror symmetry. So if bonding interaction has to occur, then same sign has to overlap. So it will rotate in clockwise direction, it has to rotate in anti-clockwise direction to occur bonding interaction. So this type of rotation is called disrotation. It is happening in photochemical condition. In this case, if we rotate this orbital in this direction, this methyl group will go to above the plane, whereas here if we rotate this in anti-clockwise direction, then this methyl group will go to above the plane. So the product will be this. So this is the product which are given in question, this. So the condition must be the photochemical condition, so A will be H nu. Now we have to see the second reaction sequence. This is treated with O3Me2S. So O3Me2S will break this double bond. So what will be the product? Double bond OH, double bond OH. After ozonolysis, this will formed, and if excess of this ylide, this phosphonium ylide reacts with this molecule, it will give the alkene. So alkene will be formed. Double bond C, COOT, CHCOOT, double bond CHCOOT. Two methyl group are there in above the plane. Now we'll see the answers. Here the configuration of this double bond is trans. It is also trans. So these two are trans. Whereas this is cis and this is cis. So we have to identify whether the product will be trans or the cis. Now it is very important to know that as the halide is very stable halide, this stable halide always forms the thermodynamically stable trans compound. So the trans isomer will be the product. So A will be H nu and B will be the trans isomer. This will be the answer. If you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know in comment box. And here is another question. The most appropriate mode of cyclization in the following transformation. So here you can see there will be a double bond. Here you can see that here the reaction occur, electrocyclic ring closing reaction occur with this 3 pi electron. So it is a trine system. First we have to construct the molecular orbital for the trine system, same as we did for diene system. So here there will be 6 molecular orbital. We will construct them. This is psi 1. This is psi 2. This is psi 3. This is psi 4. We will give the plus or minus sign after drawing this molecular orbital completely. This is psi 5. This is psi 6. So the energy will increase in this direction. Now it will have no anti-bonding interaction, no nodal plane will be there. So here all the plus sign and minus signs will be here. One anti-bonding interaction will be there, one nodal plane will be there. So this is plus minus plus. Here two interactions, two nodal plane will be there, plus minus plus minus minus. Here three nodal plane will be there, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Here four nodal plane will be there, so plus minus plus minus plus 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 minus. For this 5 nodal plane will be there, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So if we see the electronic distribution between this molecular orbital, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here total 6 pi electrons are there. So 2, 4, 6. Now this psi 3 is HOMO, but in thermal condition. But if photochemical condition applied, then one of these electron will promoted to psi 4, and then psi 4 will be HOMO in photochemical condition. So if we see the symmetry of this molecular orbital, then it has symmetry with respect to mirror, because this mirror will bisect this molecular orbital into two equal halves, whereas it has C2 symmetry. Again it has mirror symmetry, it has C2 symmetry, mirror symmetry, C2 symmetry. Now for cyclization there may be two possibilities. We'll see. If thermal conditions apply, if we apply thermal condition, then psi 3 will be the HOMO, and it will gives the product. Now it has symmetry with respect to mirror, so it is plus minus plus minus. Now for bonding interaction we need to overlap of same sign. So if we rotate this clockwise, we should rotate is anti-clockwise. So if clockwise rotation occur, then this hydrogen will go above the plane and this hydrogen will go above the plane. So the product will be this. Now the cyclization may also happen in another way also. We'll see that mode. Now it may be also happened by this diene system, a ring closing reaction of this containing this diene system. So for this diene system to occur, if we have to this cis product, then we will again construct the molecular orbital which we had done earlier. Here are the molecular orbital. So for thermal conditions, psi 2 will be HOMO. So psi 2 has plus C2 symmetry. So we have to in conversion, this is actually trans geometry, and here we have cis geometry, because this double bond has cis geometry and this double bond also has cis geometry. So for cis geometry we will study, let's say if we see in thermal condition, then psi 2 has C2 symmetry, that is plus minus minus plus plus C2 symmetry. So For bonding in interaction, we have to rotate this in clockwise direction. This is in anti, this is clockwise, this is also clockwise direction. This is clockwise and this is clockwise direction. So it will go in downward direction and it will go in upward direction. So the bonding, one will go downward and one will go upward, and we have here both C's. So this interaction will not happen. For thermal condition, the reaction will not form product. Whereas in photochemical condition, for cis geometry, it will have symmetry with respect to mirror. So plus plus, minus minus. For this bonding interaction, we have to rotate this in clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. So this rotation, this is con-rotation. For this rotation, it will go downward direction, whereas this will go also downward direction. So here hydrogens are there. Hydrogen will go upward, hydrogen will go upward. And this methyl, these two will be in downward. So for photochemical condition, this rotation, this cyclization is possible. So the two conditions are, one thermal condition, this rotation, and this is photochemical condition, this rotation. The product will be formed. Actually, if I drawn this product in a fragment way, if we complete this product, the actual product will be, there will be a 6-member ring. If you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.